BNA Unveils Concourse D extension, a game-changer for Nashville travelers. Nashville Airport unveils new Concourse D expansion. Nashville Airport's Concourse D extension, a new travel experience. Explore the new Concourse D at BNA, Nashville International Airport's latest addition. BNA unveils Concourse D extension, a game-changer for Nashville travelers. Nashville's airport, BNA, just got a major upgrade. The expansion of Concourse D is finally complete, marking a significant step forward in the airport's ambitious $3 billion growth and renovation plan, known as New Horizon. This project promises to dramatically improve the travel experience for the millions of passengers who pass through Nashville each year. But here's where it gets controversial. Some critics initially questioned the scale of the New Horizon plan, but the on-time and under-budget completion of this first phase is a strong endorsement of its vision. The initial portion of Concourse D opened in 2020, and now, 5 new gates are ready to welcome travelers starting Tuesday, July 8. Southwest Airlines, a major player in Nashville's travel scene, will be calling these new gates home. Andrew Watterson, Southwest's COO, enthusiastically stated, "As Southwest loves Music City and Tennessee," highlighting the airline's commitment to the region. Currently, Southwest operates 172 daily flights from Nashville, a number that will jump to 183 this October. Nashville Airport unveils new Concourse D expansion. Get ready for a major upgrade at the Nashville International Airport. Glowing Star the airport has just unveiled its newest addition, Concourse D, as part of the ambitious $3 billion New Horizon project. This expansion is a game-changer, adding 5 fresh gates, exciting new dining and shopping options, and even an outdoor terrace for travelers to enjoy. But here's where it gets controversial. All these new gates will be exclusively operated by Southwest Airlines. Concourse D is just the beginning. The New Horizon project, expected to wrap up by 2029, includes plans to expand parking facilities and revamp airport access roads, ensuring a smoother travel experience. And this is the part most people miss. The next phase involves completely tearing down and rebuilding Concourse A, doubling its size. Nashville's rapid growth has fueled the need for such extensive airport improvements. Mayor Freddie O'Connell emphasized the importance of expanding tourism and business travel, stating, "It's hard to keep up with Nashville right now." The city's vibrant energy and increasing popularity demand enhanced air connectivity, especially to international destinations, to attract investors, visitors, and new residents. So, what do you think about Nashville's airport expansion plans? Do you see this as a positive step towards accommodating the city's growth, or are there potential challenges and considerations that we should be mindful of? Let's discuss in the comments. Nashville Airport's Concourse D extension, a new travel experience. Imagine stepping into a brand new world of travel convenience and style. Nashville International Airport, BNA, has just pulled back the curtain on its stunning Concourse D extension, a project that promises to redefine the passenger experience. This isn't just an addition, it's a leap forward in airport design and functionality. But here's where it gets controversial. While some travelers might be thrilled with the new amenities, others might wonder if such extensive renovations are necessary or if the funds could be better allocated elsewhere. Let's dive in and explore the details. The grand unveiling took place at an exclusive pre-opening reception, co-hosted by the Arts at the Airport Foundation. This event showcased the 5 new gates, 8 new shopping, dining, and drinking spots, a moving walkway, and 3 original pieces of artwork. The pièce de résistance? A record node, a rotunda with panoramic views that leads to BNA's first outdoor terrace. From here, travelers can enjoy breathtaking views of the airfield and even catch a glimpse of downtown Nashville. This extension is the first major project completed under the New Horizon program, a $3 billion growth and renovation plan aimed at transforming BNA. Doug Croylan, President and CEO of the Metropolitan Nashville Airport Authority, shared his excitement about the project. The completion of the Concourse D extension, on time and under budget, is a significant milestone for the New Horizon program. It not only provides us with the necessary space and resources but also allows us to focus on upcoming projects, such as the demolition and reconstruction of Concourse A, the creation of a central ramp, and improved terminal roadways. And this is the part most people miss. The New Horizon projects are crucial for BNA to support 40 million annual passengers in the future, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable travel experience for everyone. The Concourse D extension is a treasure trove of new concepts for passengers to enjoy. Asterisk 3rd and Broadway. Transport yourself to the heart of Nashville's entertainment district. This spot captures the essence of the intersection of 3rd Avenue and Broadway, where the city's vibrant sights, sounds, flavors, and experiences come to life. It's a must-visit for anyone looking to soak up the local culture. Asterisk Sandella's Flatbread Cafe. Indulge in signature flatbreads, refreshing juices, and artisanal coffees. It's the perfect place to grab a quick, delicious bite before your flight. Asterisk New Heights Cantina and Taqueria. Savor award-winning local New Heights beer paired with authentic Mexican cuisine. This concept offers a breakfast menu, live music, and even a taco truck for those on the go. It's a true Nashville experience in a nutshell. Asterisk The Castle. Soccer fans, rejoice! This vibrant restaurant and bar is the ultimate spot to enjoy delicious food, refreshing drinks, and the thrill of Nashville SC action. It's more than just a dining experience, it's a community gathering place. Asterisk Flights Virtual Dining Hall. Modernize your airport dining with fresh meals and diverse options. This concept is all about convenience and quality, ensuring you have a satisfying meal before you take off. Asterisk Daniel X Diamond. Country music's favorite fashion brand has made its way to BNA. Here, you can find a variety of rhinestone products alongside the signature fringe jackets that have become a staple in Nashville's fashion scene. Asterisk Nashville Tracks by Hudson. Celebrate the city's rich musical legacy and history of craft spirits. Browse products from local artisans alongside travel essentials like snacks, beverages, tech needs, and books. It's a one-stop shop for all your travel needs. Asterisk Martini. Sip on expertly crafted martinis, savor savory sandwiches, flatbreads, craft beers, and frothy monkey coffee. This spot is perfect for a pre-flight pick-me-up or a relaxing drink before you head home. So, what do you think? Is the Concourse D extension a game-changer for BNA, or are there other areas that need more attention? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe that such extensive renovations are necessary, or could the funds be better spent elsewhere? Let the discussion begin. Explore the new Concourse D at BNA, Nashville International Airport's latest addition. Imagine stepping into a brand new world of comfort and creativity at Nashville International Airport, BNA. On July 8th, Concourse D will welcome travelers with its stunning expansion, setting a new standard for airport experiences. But here's where it gets truly exciting. This isn't just another terminal, it's a vibrant hub of innovation and artistry. Partnership between BNA and the arts at the Airport Foundation have brought forth an array of features that promise to delight and inspire. At the heart of the concourse lies the iconic Record Node, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the airfield and the bustling cityscape of downtown Nashville. And this is the part most people miss. After a long journey, travelers can now step onto an outdoor terrace to breathe in some fresh air and enjoy the scenery. The expansion includes 5 new gates, making it easier for passengers to board their flights. Additionally, there are 8 exciting new spots to shop, dine, and relax. Whether you're craving a hearty meal or just a quick snack, you'll find plenty of options to choose from. Here are some highlights. ***3 Road and Broadway ***. Dive into Nashville's signature flavors with this cozy eatery. Sandella's Flatbread Cafe ***. Enjoy delicious flatbreads with a variety of toppings. New Heights Cantina and Taqueria ***. Savor authentic Mexican dishes in a casual setting. The Castle ***. Indulge in upscale dining with a view. Flights Virtual Dining Hall ***. Experience a unique dining concept that blends technology with traditional flavors. Daniel X Diamond ***. Try gourmet sandwiches and salads in a stylish environment. Nashville Tracks by Hudson ***. Sample craft beers and hearty fare in a laid-back atmosphere. Martini ***. Perfect your martini-making skills with a range of spirits and mixers. But the real magic happens through the artistic elements scattered throughout the concourse. 3 standout pieces are designed to captivate and engage visitors. A Twine with My Mingles *** by Elizabeth Williams of New Hat Projects. This 180-foot-long installation lines the moving walkway, crafted from custom-printed wristbands woven in a loom-style pattern. A Thread Without End *** by Benjamin Ball of Ballnogue Studios. Suspended in the concessions area between gates D7 and D8, 620 stainless steel spheres create a mesmerizing display. Our Radiant City ** by Brenda Stein. Encircling the center of the record node, this piece features shimmering terrazzo depicting iconic Nashville landmarks, serving as a welcoming focal point. Architects Hensel Phelps and Fentress Architects have designed this concourse with an emphasis on natural light and open spaces, providing a serene environment for travelers to unwind. So, whether you're catching a quick layover or embarking on a long journey, Concourse D's expansion is sure to enhance your airport experience. Now, what do you think? Are you excited about these new features at BNA? How do you think they will impact the travel experience for passengers? Share your thoughts in the comments below. BNA Unveils Concourse.